In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Google Play gift card on Amazon. First, open Amazon on your phone or computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the homepage, go to the search bar and type in Google Play gift card. Hit search and look through the results. Click on the gift card you want to buy. Once you are on the product page, enter the amount you want to purchase. After that, fill in the receiver's email address. This is the email where the gift card will be delivered, so make sure you type it in correctly. Once everything is filled in, click on Add to Cart. Then go to your cart and select the gift card to review your order. After that, click on Proceed to Checkout. Select your payment method and complete the purchase. Once the order is confirmed, the gift card code will be sent directly to the email address you entered earlier. The person receiving it just needs to open their email, find the gift card, copy the code, and redeem it on the Google Play Store. It is a quick and easy way to buy a Google Play gift card without leaving your house. That is how you do it.